Hello all, good morning. I hope all of you are fine. This is our fourth video of chapter 1, when a letter reaches a computer. In our last class, we have studied what is workspace, how to work with different workspaces, how to open different softwares in different workspaces, and we have done an activity that is copying from one file to another. In today's class, we are going to study how to create folders and subfolders, how to save a file, then different tools used in LibreOffice Writer software. So let's start our class. In today's class, we have to learn three topics: folders and subfolders, saving the file, and tools in LibreOffice Writer. So let's move on to our first topic, folders and subfolders. Each and every work that we do in a computer, it is saved as a file. So there will be a number of files related to various works that we have done in the computer. So it is important to arrange them and save them properly for future use. So how can we do that? It can be done with the help of folders. How to create folders? For that, the first step is place the mouse pointer on the empty space where we have to create the folder. Then right click on the mouse, then select New Folder option. Then we have to give the name to the folder. So here I have given the name Students Work 8. Then we have to click on this Create button. Now a folder named Students Work 8 is created. This is how we can create folders. So we have to place the mouse pointer on the empty space where we have to create the folder. Then right click on the mouse and select this New Folder option. Then we have to give the name of the folder and click on this Create button. Then the folder will be created. Now we have created a folder. We can also create subfolders. What do you mean by subfolders? Folders within folder is known as subfolder. So let's see how to create subfolders. We have already created a folder named Students Work 8. Just open it. Now here it is empty. Now we can create folders in this folder. That is, we can create subfolders. So we can create subfolders in the same manner we have created folder. We have to place the mouse pointer on the empty space where we have to create the folder. Then right click the mouse. Then we have to select this New Folder option. Then we have to give the name to the subfolder. I am giving the name 8A. Then click on this Create button. Now a folder named 8A is created. Now we can create another folder. Right click the mouse, select New Folder, give the name, then click on this Create button. We can create one more subfolder. Right click the mouse, select New Folder, then give a name, then click on this Create button. So we have created three subfolders, namely 8A, 8B and 8C in the main folder Student Work 8. So here the Students Work 8 is a folder, and inside that folder we have created three subfolders, 8A, 8B and 8C. Now inside 8A I am going to create another subfolder. How to create it? In the same manner we have created the folder. Place the mouse pointer on the empty space where we have to create the folder. Right click the mouse, select New Folder, then give a name. I am giving the name Docs. Then click on the Create button. Now the subfolder Docs is created inside the folder 8A, which is again inside the folder Students Work 8. So this is how we create folders and subfolders so that we can arrange and save our files properly. It will help us for the future use of those files. Our next topic is saving a file. In our last class, we have already typed this poem in LibreOffice Writer software. Now we are going to save this file. How to save this file? For that, here in the toolbar, we have a save button. Just click on that save button. Then a window appears. From here, we have to select the folder in which that file should be saved. In Home, we are going to select the folder Students Work 8 that we have created just now. Double click on that folder. Then in that the subfolders appears. In that we can select the folder in which we are going to save that file. I am going to select 8A. Double click on that. Then here there is the folder called Docs. I am going to save the file in this folder. So again select that folder. Here we have to give the name for this file. I am going to give the name Taj Mahal to this file. After giving the name, we have to click on this save button. Now this file is saved with the name Taj Mahal. This is how we save a file. So how we save this file? We have to click on this save button. Then a window appears. We have to select the folder in which we want to save this file. Then we have to give the name to this file. Then after that we have to click on the save button. So the file will be saved. Our next topic is tools in LibreOffice Writer software. When we open the software LibreOffice Writer, we can see a number of tools here at the top portion. Let's see each of them. First of all, we have alignment tools. We have left alignment, center alignment, right alignment and justify tool. We can look each of these. I am going to select this paragraph. Now currently it is in left alignment position. That means the selected text is aligned to the left of this page. When we select the center alignment, the text will be aligned at the center. If we select the right alignment, it will be aligned to the right. If I click on this justify tool, the left and right side of this selected text will be equal. So this is alignment tools. Next we have font color tool. This is used to change the color of the font. Now I am going to change the color of the selected text. For that we have to click on this arrow mark. Then we can select whichever color we want. I am going to select red. See, now the selected text becomes red in color. Then we have an insert image tool. It is used to insert images into the file. Then we have bold, italics and underline tool. It is used to make the text bold, italics and underlined. Now I have selected the first line Taj Mahal. I am going to apply this bold tool on it. When I click on this, the selected portion becomes bold. When I click on this italics tool, it becomes in italic style. When I select on this underline tool, that selected portion becomes underlined. Then we have font size tool, which is used to change the size of the font. Now I am selecting the first line Taj Mahal. Now we can change the size of the font. For that we have to click on this arrow mark. We can select whichever size we want. I am selecting 16. Now the size of that selected text has been increased. Now we have font name tool. It is used to select various styles, various fonts for the selected text. Now I have selected this text Taj Mahal. I'm going to change the font of that selected text. For that, click on this arrow mark. Various fonts are available. We can select the required font from this box. We'll select this one. Now the font of the selected text has been changed. Next we have cut, copy and paste tools. First of all, I have to select a text. In order to cut the text, click on this cut button. Now that selected text has been removed. In order to paste it back or paste it somewhere else, we have to click on this paste button. See, it is pasted here. If I place the cursor somewhere else and I click on this paste, it will be pasted here. Now let's see the copy tool. First of all, we have to select the text. Then I am going to click on this copy tool. Now this selected portion is copied. Now I bring the cursor here below that selected portion. Now I am going to click on this paste button. Now that selected portion has been copied and pasted here. So this is how cut, copy and paste tools works. Then we have a save tool. That was our previous topic. We have learned for what the save tool is used. It is used to save the file. Then we have a style box. It is used to change the style of the heading. For that, we can select the heading. Then click on this arrow mark. Then we can select the required style from the style box. When I click on that, the style of this heading has been changed. So these are some of the tools in LibreOffice Writer software. So let's summarize what we have learned in this class. Our first topic was folders and subfolders. Each and every work we do in a computer is saved as a file. We will have a number of files on various works that we have done. So it is important to arrange and save these files properly for future use. It can be done with the help of folders. Now, what are the steps to create folders and subfolders? First step is place the mouse pointer on the empty space where you want to create a folder. Step 2, right click the mouse. Step 3, select new folder. Step 4, name the folder and click on the create button. This is how we can create a folder. Now, in order to create subfolders, open the folder that we have created. Then again follow the steps to create a folder inside that folder. In this manner, we can create subfolders. Our next topic was saving a file. What are the steps of saving a file? Step 1 is click the save tool in the toolbar. Step 2, select the folder where the file should be saved. Step 3, name the file. Step 4, click on the save button. In this manner, we can save the file. Our next topic was tools in LibreOffice Writer. There are various tools in LibreOffice Writer software. We have alignment tools. It is used to align the text to the left, right, center and also to justify the text. Then we have font color tool to change the font color. Then we have insert image tool to insert an image into the file. Then we have bold, italics and underline tool to make the font bold, italics or underlined. Then we have font size tool to change the size of the font. Then font style tool to change the style of the font. Then we have cut, copy and paste tools to cut, copy and paste the text. Then we have save tool to save the file. Then at last we have a style box to select a new style. So these are the tools in the LibreOffice Writer software. So in today's class we have learned how to create folders and subfolders, how to save a file, also the different tools used in LibreOffice Writer software. So I hope all of you are clear with the topics that we have learned today. Please write down the steps of the activities and notes in your notebook. See you next class. Thank you.